It's a little better.
Hey, what's happening? Today we're going to learn how to make a power sword, or at least that's what I call it. You're going to need 3 balloons and a little bit of patience. Let's get into it.
We're going to take 3 balloons, any color you want. You want to make sure you have a color picked out for the handle, colors picked out for the actual sword and the actual casing, or not really sure what it's called, top part of the handle. You'll see. Okay, I have my hand pump, which I'm going to use. I'm going to blow these guys up. I'll take maybe like 4 fingers at the end here. Blow a little bit of air out so you don't pop it. Do the same thing here. So you have your 2, and for mine, these are not exactly the same length. That's okay. So I want you to take the knobs and just tie them together. You can do a square knot. These things tied together. Okay. So what I want you to do is grab them like this, and then sneak your hand in between the 2 balloons. Okay. And we're just going to hold our hand like this, and then just twist this hand. And then I want you to end up with maybe that much towards the end. So from here, okay, hold it, twist, okay, that's a few seconds, okay, and then you get this looking like structure. Sure. Give these 2 guys a squeeze. Okay. All right, and what you want to do is make 3 flower petals with this guy and 3 flower petals with this guy, and we're going to tie them all into this guy. So squeeze them, okay, let some of the air out, make it nice and malleable. Alright, right here, maybe about 3 fingers, nothing super crazy, just twist into that, okay. And then I'm getting a little low here, so I'm going to really squeeze this, make sure the air is all the way used, okay. Last mini flower petal. Cool. I do have this nub, this little guy right here. I'm eventually gonna like clean this up and let some of the air out of that guy, but for right now I'm not gonna do that. So I need 3 flower petals for this guy. So alright, we have 1, mini one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you did a better job of managing the air in each one of the bubbles, if I put a little bit more air in the orange one, this one wouldn't be as low, but I didn't. That's okay. We have this little structure, and this is going to be the sword, this is going to be the blade part, this is going to be the little cap of the handle. Alright, now we're going to make the handle in the little handle case. So you can grab whatever color you want the handle to be, you're going to blow it up. Alright, you want a little bit extra, okay, so you can see there's probably like maybe 6 fingers of extra slack. Alright, let some air out definitely, because we're going to be twisting this a lot. Let's make a little bubble right here, okay, something small. This bubble is eventually going to go into this guy. And now you want to figure out how long you want the handle to be, actually the length of the actual thing that they're going to be grabbing. So this part has to be at the very least twice the amount of size as the handle is going to be. So you don't want to make this twist. You don't want to make the handle halfway through. You want to make it minimum a third. It's while still holding on to this guy. You can let it go, doesn't matter. You want to make a pinch twist, so make another bubble here, like this. You want to twist this knot into this knot. Pull it off, twist it, and then it will stay. And then you want to make as many bubbles as it takes to make a little bit of an arc here. Every bubble you make sure you twist it a lot and hold it in your hand, because otherwise it will come undone. So here we go. And count how many bubbles you make. Okay, 7 bubbles are all in here, and then I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to take this one and tie it into that little bubble we made. All those together. Now you have something looking like this. So what we want to do now is we want to take this guy, do the exact same. So count how many bubbles you have in this little arc, not including the one with the knob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we got to make 7 bubbles again. Okay, squeeze, 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 squeeze. All right, so let's go. Once we have our 7, okay, take this little knot, tie it into this pinch twist that you did. Okay, and now you're looking with something like this. All right, cool. This little thing, right? We can get rid of it. Twist that bad boy off. Okay, this little bubble. Okay, squeeze really hard. If it doesn't pop, you can pinch it like that. Okay, and once the air is all the way out of that little section, you can tie it off. You don't have to tie it off. I like to do it because I think it makes it more secure. And then just take the little excess here and tie it into that pinch twist, and now you can barely see it. Now we just got to put the handle on the actual sword. So keep in mind, there are 6 petals here. There are 6 petals here. 2 different balloons sticking out over here, and this one's also going to go in this little twist. Okay, that's a lot to be thrown in there. So it's a good thing that we're going to have this connection, but it's also very courageous for you to do it. So here we go. Good pop. I ended up putting a blue one on, made a blue handle.
And there you have it, a power sword. I kind of messed up the white handle and how to use a blue handle, but you kind of saw that. But you get the point. Let me know what other type of balloon animals you guys want to make. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let me know how this goes for you. Good luck. I'll see you in the next video.